Welcome everyone. Today, I want to share with you a book that will change your life forever. It's called The Joy of Not Working by Ernie J. Zelinski. This book challenges the traditional notion that we must work hard all our lives in order to be happy and fulfilled. Instead, it offers a refreshing perspective on how we can live a more meaningful life by working less. Ernie J. Zelinski is a renowned author and speaker who has helped thousands of people around the world to find joy and fulfillment in their lives. His writing is insightful, practical, and inspiring. In this book, he shares his own experiences and those of others who have successfully embraced the joy of not working. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who's looking for a new direction in life, this book is for you. Working less may seem counterintuitive, but studies have shown that it can actually lead to a more fulfilling life. In fact, people who work fewer hours tend to be happier, healthier, and more productive than those who work longer hours. One reason for this is that working less allows us to spend more time on things that truly matter, such as spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies and interests, and taking care of our physical and mental health. It also gives us the opportunity to explore new passions and experiences, which can lead to personal growth and fulfillment. Retirement is often viewed as the end of one's career and the beginning of a sedentary life. However, it should be seen as an opportunity for new experiences and personal growth. Many retirees find that they have more time to pursue their passions and interests, which can lead to a greater sense of fulfillment and happiness. One inspiring example is that of a retired teacher who started a small business selling handmade crafts. She had always been interested in art and had never had the time to pursue it while working. Now, she spends her days creating beautiful pieces and selling them at local markets. Not only has this brought her joy and satisfaction, but it has also provided her with a source of income to supplement her retirement savings. Unemployment can be a daunting experience, but it can also be an opportunity for change. It provides the chance to reassess one's career goals and pursue new opportunities. Many successful individuals have used unemployment as a catalyst for positive change in their lives. For example, a former corporate executive who was laid off from his job decided to pursue his passion for cooking and opened a successful restaurant. Another individual who was let go from her job as a journalist used her skills to start a freelance writing business that allowed her to work on projects she was passionate about. Overwork and burnout are serious issues that can have a negative impact on both your physical and mental health. When you constantly push yourself to work harder and longer hours, you run the risk of burning out and experiencing a range of negative consequences. Symptoms of burnout include fatigue, insomnia, anxiety, and depression. In extreme cases, burnout can even lead to physical illness. To avoid burnout, it's important to set realistic goals and boundaries for yourself, take regular breaks, and prioritize self-care activities like exercise and meditation. In conclusion, not working can lead to a more fulfilling life by providing opportunities for personal growth, new experiences, and a better work-life balance. It's important to remember that retirement is not the end, but rather a chance to start a new chapter in life. Unemployment can also be an opportunity to reassess career goals and pursue new passions. Finally, overwork and burnout can have serious negative impacts on health and happiness, so it's important to prioritize self-care and find a healthy work-life balance. By embracing the joy of not working, we can live happier, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. Let's take inspiration from those who have successfully pursued this lifestyle and make positive changes in our own lives. Remember, life is too short to spend all our time working. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.